sound connection, Baxter location again, coming at you with another Polaris Ranger. This one we got from Up North Power and Sports in Park Rapids, Minnesota, and it is for sale. So if you're looking for a new Polaris Ranger 1000, this one's already outfitted with everything you need. They brought this thing down with a cab and a heater and a windshield wiper, pretty much everything you need. But they needed heated seats, and this one didn't have the factory installed heated seats. So what we did is we went ahead and put in heated seats for them. And then normally what we do is we turn to the compustar T12 due to the fact that the remote is pretty much life-proof in this one. But this one they wanted something a little bit different, so what we did was we put a basic one-way remote start in, but we added the drone. So now, not only can you start this vehicle right from your phone, but you can also do GPS tracking. So if somebody steals your machine or your trailer with the machine on it or something like that, no problem, we got you covered. You just track the vehicle and away you go. So this one here with the one-way remote start will not give you confirmation, but it's super ultra reliable. You just push and hold that little button right there. Now the vehicle will start up. And there you have it, just like that. Again, we kind of went with a system that had two-way communication, but with everybody having their cell phones with them nowadays, we don't really have to. So now you can not only track your vehicle, but you can also start it right from your phone. What a great product. And now we can do heated seats in Polaris Rangers, Generals, pretty much anything that we can take the seat apart on. So if you have any questions or if you want one of these systems installed on your Polaris Ranger, get a hold of us today.